on, everybody? It's Assassin, and today I have a $500 gaming PC build for you. So starting off with the build, we have the AMD Ryzen 5 1400 processor. It's running at about $160 on Amazon right now, clocked at 3.4 GHz with 4 cores and 8 threads. With this processor, you can overclock to 4 GHz if you're looking for a little bit extra power boost. Now next up, we have the motherboard. Now for the motherboard, I went with the Asrock AB350M-HDV motherboard. This motherboard is coming in at about $95 after tax on Amazon, and it is Ryzen ready. For the RAM, I went with G.Skill Ripjaw's V-Series RAM. It's 8GB, 2 4GB sticks, DDR4 memory, and this RAM just gets the job done. All you need is 8GB, no more than 8 gigs, because games these days don't need. The recommended is 8 gigs of RAM. So if you want that extra boost, though, there is 2 more slots on the motherboard for another 8 gig set. Now for the storage, I went with the Western Digital Caviar Blue 1TB hard drive with 7200 RPM. This is more than enough space than what you're going to need, because games these days are just higher and higher in gigabytes. Like Call of Duty Black Ops 3 is like 60 gigabytes. Same with like Overwatch and The Witcher 3. Not to mention Battlefield 1 with all the DLCs coming out and everything. Plus you're getting 1,000 gigabytes. So what are you going to use all 1,000 gigabytes for? Unless you're doing YouTube and sorts. Then in my opinion, all you need is 1 terabyte. The next part on the list is the EVGA GeForce GTX 1050 2GB gaming graphics card. Now this graphics card is a beast. You're getting a whole 2 GB of GDDR5 memory with DX12 and OSD support. I've had this card before in the past, and it was just amazing. Like, this card was super quick, super efficient, and it's by NVIDIA. And all the cards by NVIDIA are usually pretty good. So this is a great card, very powerful, very sturdy, will last you for a very long time. Now powering this whole build together, we have an EVGA 430 watt power supply. This is the 80 plus white 3-year warranty power supply, so you're getting 3 years of warranty, and 430 watts is way more than enough to power this PC build. If you want a little bit more power, you could get the EVGA 500 watt power supply, which comes in gold and bronze edition, so whatever one you prefer is better, and that's okay with you. Now housing all the parts together is the Zalman ATX mid-tower case by R1, and wow, this case just looks amazing. It's got a small side on the side panel with a window, so you could see some of your parts on the inside, and it looks like it comes with 2 fans, 1 fan in the front and 1 in the rear, and there's support to do a water cooling system up top, so you can put a radiator up there. And wow, man, like this just looks like on board. It has 3 USB, 1 3.0, and then 2 2.0 USB ports. And this is a good deal for a case. Just get it. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and a like. And if you guys want to see another PC build, just let me know and I will make another video. Till the next one, peace.